Hey everyone, welcome to DevRunner. My name is Paul. I'm an endurance runner and an RRCA certified running coach, and this is episode number 6 of my half marathon 2023. In this series, I'm detailing everything that goes into my training as I prepare for a 1 hour, 19 minute, and 37 second or faster half marathon attempt. And it will take place in mid-November, either at the track or at the Mayberry Half Marathon in Mount Airy, North Carolina. I'll make my choice as we get closer to race day. But this coming week should be an exciting one. I'm just coming off of a 50-mile down week last week, so I'm hoping to hit 65 miles this week. I'm going to hit the track on Tuesday. I plan for a middle long run on Thursday with a little bit of speed mixed into the middle of it, and then I will be heading out for an 18-mile long run on Sunday. So if all goes well, I'll be getting stronger and hopefully a little faster despite the summer heat that continues to rage. So if you are looking for tips, tricks, and advice on your running, please stay tuned. And if you're looking for help from a coach, of course, please get in touch with me at DevRunnerCoaching.com. Now with that said, folks, let's get on with the show. There's plenty to see. Here we go. Hey folks, it's Monday, August 14th, 2023. The first Monday of the entire training cycle where I'm actually running. Yes, this week will be a 65 miler, and that means I've got to run on Mondays. Means I've got to run 7 days a week from here on out pretty much. It is a scorcher out here today. It is just, I'm frying just standing here in the backyard before I even get started. Good news is I only got to manage 5 miles, and I'm going to just take it as slow as I want to. I'm still feeling the effects of yesterday's long run, the 16 miler, which went very well, I'm happy to say. But yeah, I also did my core routine and did my full body weight routine this morning in the wee hours of the morning before the sun came up. So I'm just wiped out, super tired, and have no desire to prove anything to anybody on this particular run, except that I can get the miles in. So off we go. I'm almost 3 miles into this thing. No doubt this is the hottest day of the year so far. I'm dying out here. The combination of having blown my legs out, doing weightlifting this morning, the fact that I ran 16 hard, relatively speaking, yesterday, the fact that I sat on my butt behind an office desk all day, and I'm tired. It all combined to keep these paces in the high 9s per mile and low 10s. But you know what? Pride ain't gonna win out on this. I'm taking it easy, because tomorrow I return to the track, folks. Hey folks, I just survived 2.5 miles of exposure coming down the highway. I'm finally on the long drive up to the track. Whew. Took it nice and slow. I think I averaged like 8:40s or so for the 2.5 miles here. And happy that's over. Here we are, approaching the track for the first time in this training block. Already sweat through my clothes on the way here. 3-mile run down the highway, and happy to have reached my destination. Last time I was here was when I ran a 2 hour, 52 minute, and 52 second marathon at this very track. I think it was May 1st. And 105.5 laps around this tarmac beast. It was quite a challenge, quite a journey. If you want to see the live stream watch party with all the footage in real time of that run. Go check it out in my backlog. I'm happy to be here in one piece. All right, folks, I'm going to run a couple of laps just to warm up the legs, get used to the feel of the track, and then pick up the pace. And then I'm going to start into a ladder workout, which is going to go 2x200, a 400, an 800, a 1 miler, and ladder back down with an 800, a 400, and 2 more 200s. And then it's a 3-mile run home. Folks, thanks for being here with me. That was a bit of a rough workout. The times definitely show that I am, fresh to speed work at this point in the training cycle. The heat, it's 78 degrees already, but that's not bad. It's the fact that the humidity is the air is utterly, completely, totally saturated. And so for like the 200s, the 400s, I don't think that was much of a factor because those distance intervals are like over with before the heat trapped in your body can really be a huge factor. So, I make no excuse for those times, but once you get to the 800 and that 1 miler, or the 1600 to be exact, that's when it starts to trap the heat and it starts to have detrimental effects on the paces that I was able to hold. So really slow on the 1600. It's actually slower than my half marathon pace, but under these conditions it is what it is. It's all on me. I'm currently like 148 pounds, so I haven't taken the weight loss seriously enough, so I'm not dissipating the heat as well as if I was 12 pounds lighter. So I got to expect that. Plus it's the first workout of the season. I'm just getting my sea legs back, so overall it's a first step. So overall I'm feeling good about this. Hey folks, I'm about 4 miles into this 6-miler now. Just taking it nice and easy, keeping the pace just above the 9-minute mark per mile, and actually enjoying it. It's hot, but it's not super deadly hot. And I think I really needed this run just as a decompression after a long, rough day. See the final stats that I put in afterwards for this run. Whew. I'm looking forward to dinner. See you tomorrow for 13. Hey, good morning, folks. It's Thursday, August 17th, 2023. I'm about to head out for 13 miles. The sun is not up yet. There's no sign of sunshine yet. It is 6 a.m. It's dark, but it's the only way I can get this done before I gotta start work. So off we go, folks. Sun's on its way up, folks. 2.5 miles in. Absolutely loving this relatively cool weather. It's only like 65 degrees. And the humidity's not that bad. Here comes the sun, folks. 1.5 miles in. Still enjoying it. Not moving particularly quickly. Currently at 750 pace per mile. Just enjoying being out here. Hey folks, I'm a little over 3 miles into this run. I'm definitely overdressed. It's super hot. I'm averaging about 10 minutes a mile, and I don't care at all. I'm not going to push it. I want to be able to run a decent run tomorrow morning. It's only supposed to be 62 degrees Saturday morning and Sunday morning, so hopefully I can get some really nice speed up, but only if I fuel well, hydrate well, and get my rest in the meanwhile. And that includes taking it easy on an easy run. It's Saturday, August 19th, 2023. I'm out for 7 miles of, I don't know, easy running, I guess you'd say. Just kind of prepping my body for tomorrow's 18 miler, where I hope to run my first progression run of this training block. So I'm going to throw in 6, maybe 8 strides in the middle of this run, just to, you know, kind of prime that pump for good form, for getting those faster twitch fibers kind of ready for tomorrow, build up the tension in the muscles so that I can attempt to run better than just plodding along tomorrow. And behind me, I don't know if you can see it, we've got our cow friends here. Our cow friends are hiding underneath the tree here, preparing for the heat as it gets worse and worse. Hey folks, I'm about 5.5 miles in. Got 7 strides down so far. I'm doing 1 every half mile. And 1 more to go. Feeling good. Keeping my cadence right around 180 steps a minute consistently throughout the run, which is what I'm used to when I'm running well, when I'm starting to get in better shape. So good news there. Still got a ways to go with the weight loss, but I'm getting there. Keeping my pace right around 8-minute miles. So good day. I consider this an aerobic run today, simply because heat and humidity, while they're lower than normal today, you know, it's still summertime, so you know, in December, January, 8-minute miles I would consider an easy run, but hey, I'll take what I can get. All right, folks, 7 miles is done. It took me 58 minutes and 6 seconds, averaging 8:18 a mile. 8 strides thrown into the middle miles, starting at the beginning of mile 3, and then 1 every half mile. Really feel good. It's about 82 degrees out here. Humidity doesn't feel super horrible, but it's present. Anyway, yeah, happy with this one. Hopefully I've got enough muscle tension to be able to move quicker than this for 18 miles tomorrow. I guess it all depends on my hydration and my carb loading today, so let me go get to it. See you tomorrow. Ooh, chicken and Nathan's hot dogs, folks. Getting my protein fix after lifting weights about an hour ago. I didn't get it done on Friday, so I did it about an hour ago. Good morning, folks. It's Sunday, August 20th, 2023. It is about 7:30 in the morning, and I am headed out for 18 miles. I think I'm going to run the same route I've run on my previous 2 18-milers in this training block, just to be able to compare times. I'm happy to say it is a mere 67 degrees right now. I got out late. I got up early, but I'm not starting until late, so I don't get the full benefit of the coolness, the 62 degrees that it was right at dawn, but hey, sometimes you just can't get yourself moving as fast as you like to. About 2 miles in, running down my own personal highway here. Wish the whole run could be like this. Alright folks, I'm 5.5 miles in. Ascending about a mile long, steady uphill, about a 3% uphill grade. Getting in some work under these Carolina blue skies. Heat's starting to come on now. But I'm enjoying being out here. Averaging about 8-minute miles right now. is where the wild things are, because this is where the sidewalk ends. All right, got about a mile and a half till I reach the roundabout, which will be the 9-mile mark. And then I return home uphill. Welcome to the point, possibly the point of no return. For me, it's actually the point of return. Sorry, Kansas. I'm 14.5 miles in, up and up and up and uphill. Still feeling good. Holding to right around 802, 803 a mile. So happy with today. When you consider the fact that I only got about right around maybe 6 hours of sleep last night. I lifted weights yesterday late in the afternoon. Really worked my muscles hard. I ate 2.5 chicken breasts with dinner last night, along with a good spinach salad that my wife made. That's probably about the only thing working in my favor. I'm enjoying the experience of this 18-miler. I may not be flying, but I'm definitely feeling far more in control than the first 2 times I've run 18 miles in this block. Dealing with the heat better, everything is just going my way today. Really happy with it. All right, folks. Thanks for being with me for this week of training. I will see you for the week in review coming up right now. Peace. All right, so as you can see from the week in review right over there, I did in fact hit my 65-mile goal this week. Feels good after last week's down week, and I guess the highlights are returning to the track for the first time in this training block. It was a little bit of a difficult ride, a little bit scary, some slow times. I've got some work to do if I'm going to get back to what I'm used to seeing at the track. But yeah, I did have a good middle long run, and I was really pleased with the long run at the end of the week there. Got the paces up towards the end of the run, so no complaints. At least I finished strong. Folks, if you're looking for help with strength training, with core training, with good running form, please check out the dedicated videos that are linked in the show notes below. If you're looking for help from a running coach, please go to DevRunnerCoaching.com and get yourself signed up for a free 20-minute consultation with me. We can talk about what your goals are, how to get you there, and should be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. With that said, folks, please drop any comments or questions below. Please like this video if you enjoyed the content, and of course get yourself subscribed if you haven't already. With that said, folks, please get healthy, stay strong, and keep pushing. Peace out. Catch you next week.